So second examples, it is also 2015 question paper 5 marks. So simple question. So observe the given curve. So x equal to f of something theta, y is equal to f of something theta. Next equation other, third equation other means it is exactly in the form of parametric. So parametric formula in Berlila antara. So go for Cartesian formula. So to find radius of curvature, so write down given curve. Given curve is this solution. First differentiate with respect to theta. I want dx by d theta and dy by d theta. So whatever it is this. So dx by d theta, a as it is 1 plus cos theta, and dy by d theta, a of it is sin theta. dy by d theta and dx by d theta is this. Clear? Now, to find the radius of curvature, we know that formula. So rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. So call this equation A. I want the value of dy by dx and d square by dx square, but it is in the form of dx by d theta. So, but I can write to y1 can be written as dy by dx. So dy by dx can be written in the form of, I can write it is this dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Clear? So y1 is equal to dy by d theta is a sin theta, dx by d theta is a of 1 plus cos theta. Clear? Sadhyavada easy ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So sin theta formula is simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿದೆ. Sin theta formula is 2 times of sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta formula 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 to get cancel, 1 cos cancel agutta, sin by cos is tan. So your y1 is equal to tan theta by 2. But I want y2 value, means d square y by dx square value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So but y2 is equal to question mark. So means y2 is equal to d square y by dx square. So we should balance it. So y2 is equal to ಇದೇನೇನೈತೆ ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ with respect to x ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ with respect to x in equation 1. So it is equation 1. Yes. So y1 can be y1 in the form of dy by dx. So with respect to x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. With respect to x ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ differentiation of tan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು sec square theta by 2 into differentiation of dx theta by 2 into differentiation of x in terms of theta by 2. So I can keep as this. So y2 is equal to secant square theta by 2. So it is 1 by 2 is constant, take it outside. It is theta with respect to x is d theta by dx. So y2 is equal to, so 1 by 2 sec square theta by 2 d theta by dx. So d theta by dx ಇದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So 1 divided by a into 1 plus cos theta. Exactly. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡಿ. So it is cos theta can be written as y2 is equal to 1 by 2a sec square is 1 by cos square theta by 2 into 1 divided by, so a was equals to 1 plus cos theta is, it is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2, right? So it is 1 by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is, so it is 1 by cos raised to 4 theta by 2. Or you can write secant raised to 4 theta by 2 divided by 4. So y2 value 60. y2 value 60, y1 value 60, putting these values in equation 1, simplify, we get radius of curvature, right? Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 value is tan of theta by 2, but theta value given data is no, it is only this. So y1 square raised to 3 by 2 whole divided by y2 is secant square, secant ತುಂಬಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ 1 divided by 4a cos square theta by 2, right? Simplify this. Rho is equal to 1 plus tan square theta by 2 3 by 2 whole divided by into 4a, it is a cos square theta by 2, sorry 4, it is 4. Rho is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, it is a secant square theta, so secant square theta by 2 raised to 3 by 2 into 4a, so it is 4a divided by s, right? Cos raised to 4 by 2, it is this. Rho is equal to 1 to 2 cancel agutte, so secant cube theta by 2 into 4a into cos raised to 4 theta by 2. The second square ಅನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸ್ಬರಿ 1 divided by cos square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 cos square cancel ಆಗಿ cos square ಅಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತೈತಿ. So it is last answer is 4a cos square theta by 2. Theta value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ್ರಿ, theta value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, so keep as it is, right? So this completes examples on Cartesian form and so parametric form. So these are the examples. ನಾನು notes ನ detail ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀನಿ.